How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. In order to do so, all you need to do is open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Click on it. Now, if there is any update available, just tap on it and leave it for an update. If not, simply tap open. Over here, in order to stop someone from calling you, you have one way to do so. You can just press and hold on to the conversation. At the very top, you will see a bell type of icon with a restriction. That is your mute notification. You can click on the icon, after which you can select the duration of which you want to mute the person. You can select any of the duration and then tap on OK. After which, if the person calls or texts you, you will not be notified. However, the person will not be sustained with calling you, which means the person can still call you, however, he will just not be notified. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.